Well, today we're having a community shredding event, and basically what that is people throughout the community bring in some of their more sensitive documents, past tax returns or tax information, check stubs, credit card applications, anything like that that would have any sort of personal identifying information, and they bring it to the trailer back there and they'll get it shredded at no cost to them.
Identity theft is the fastest growing white-collar crime in America. It is rising at the rapid rate of 600% a year. So it is so important that Americans are shredding all of their check stubs, old canceled checks, pay stubs, any sort of private consumer information that they don't wish anyone else to see.
We've handled numerous cases that involve identity theft. They're very, very complex, difficult cases to work, and it's really something that people should know that they need to protect themselves against, and there are steps that they need to take, and it's important that everyone at least look into it. Take a look at the booklet again that we're handing out. It has a lot of that good information. You can probably also obtain this booklet from the Parker Police Department. I think it's something that everybody should be aware of.
Today we have a great number of volunteers. We have volunteers from the Parker Chamber of Commerce, from Prepaid Legal Services. We have partners with the Parker Explorers, which is a branch of the Parker Police Department, as well as Shred-it, and the Parker Food Task Force.
The Parker Police Explorers are providing a fingerprinting service. The fingerprinting is for children between about the ages of 2 to probably 12. And what the fingerprinting information does is, in case something were to happen to that child, if they were to go missing, we would have a pamphlet with all their information that has their fingerprints, it has their name, their date of birth, their physical information, and also a current photograph that can be placed into this. And that way, if the child is missing, the parent would have to call the police department and they would just hand us this card with all their information. We'd have everything that we would need to file a missing persons report and try to find the child.
Shred-it hosts a slew of community shredding events all summer long. We really start in March and go all the way until November. You can find us on most Saturdays all around Colorado. If they want further information, they can call us at 303-293-9170 and ask for myself, Angela. I'm the marketing director. And what I'll do is I'll ask them what part of Colorado they're located in, and we'll find the nearest community shred that they can go participate in.